All right, folks. Usually before we start an interview, I usually have a little chat. And what a great story. What a wonderful young man here, preserving against all odds. For the second time, Devon Brewster is hosting a concert to aid his efforts to raise funds for his medical tuition at the University of the West Indies. He's from Dominica, determined to run the race to the end in achieving his goals. Morning, friend. Welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Thank you.
So you tell me a little quick history about Dominica coming to Jamaica for the first time. Not now, but tell me a quick history about that.
So I first came to Jamaica as a music missionary. I worked in Savannah, Westmoreland for a year as a director of music ministries for the circuit of Methodist churches there.
So how did you end up from Dominica with a music ministry?
Well, it was in St. Kitts where I met the minister there at a youth gathering.
Okay.
And he invited me to teach music for 3 weeks. So I came there first in 2015, actually.
Yeah.
Taught music there for 3 weeks, and then the following year I was invited again.
Okay.
And then they decided
All
to
right,
offer
so
me.
tell me a little bit now about your music background.
Right. So my musical background, first of all, I'm not a I'm a formally trained musician. Most of what I know, I learned through the internet and asking questions. Chiefly, I'm an organist. I'm the organist at Cook Memorial Church downtown. But I play other instruments like the steel pan, which I played in Dominica, and the keyboard.
So you learned that in Dominica?
Yes.
Yeah.
As a high school student.
Not for the first time you're having a concert.
No, it's the second time I'm having a concert.
And it worked for you the first time?
It did. It raised about a third to a half of the funds that I needed for my tuition, which was $28,000 US.
Double-barreled question. Why Jamaica? Why medicine?
Okay. So why Jamaica? First of all, I always felt that the Caribbean is enough for me in terms of my academic training. Most people tend to think that overseas is better, but I believe I've always been Caribbean-centric. And in terms of medicine, pursuing medicine is fulfillment of my divine calling. I believe that God has called me to this ministry of medicine in addition to my music. And particularly my interest is in the area of chronic non-communicable diseases, like diabetes and hypertension, which we are plagued with in the Caribbean.
Yep. Could this happen in Dominica? Could you become a doctor in Dominica?
Oh, of course, definitely.
Then why leave?
Well, in Dominica, the medical school there, it was there. They left after the hurricane. But it is based on the American system. So I would have had to have a first degree first before going to medical school there, whereas you would allow me to come in from college.
Okay, and you're working now?
Well, yes.
You're working at KPH?
Well, I'm stationed there right now as part of my junior clerkship on surgery.
So when you leave here, you do what?
When I leave where?
When you leave here this morning?
Oh, when I leave here, I go down to KPH to go to the operating theater for the day. Yes.
Oh, you're obviously enjoying this.
I am. It's a lot of stress, but
Stress because of the workload and
for me, it's the stress is coming from different directions. Yes, the workload, but then also, as you could probably imagine, it's not easy to have to seek to raise $28,000 US on my own, and also having to work and go to school. As a musician, I play at funerals, weddings, and so forth. That I have to balance with school.
Yeah.
So.
All right. I shouldn't even ask this question, but God forbid, what if it doesn't work out? What do you do? What are you going to do?
Well, you see, I have an expectant hope and confidence that it will work out.
It is going to work out. By the way, if you want to help, the NCB UE number to help Devon is 404. There you go, right there, 322001, and the number is on the screen also, 568-7932. Tell me about the concert now.
Right, so the concert it's named Tehillah. Tehillah is a Hebrew word that means praise, and the theme is God will do it again, obviously coming from doing it the first time. And it will feature some major acts, the Jamaica Youth Chorale, Mr. Ali McNabb, who is going to sing, not play football.
Ali McNabb as a singer, Aldrich.
It will also feature Michael Sean Harris and NDTC in solo. But these are the feature, but there are many others who are going to perform, including myself. I'll be playing the pan, I'll be playing the organ, and rumors have it that I'll be singing as well.
Yeah, you're part of the university singers?
Yes, I am. Yeah.
Oh, so you're getting great support.
Yes.
Boy, I pray that it works out for you. Great to meet you.
Thank you so much.
Continue doing what you do. It will work. It will work.
It will.
You're going to do a song for us now?
Yes.
What's the name of the song?
Well, the name of the song is Praise Jaja. It was actually written by myself and a friend in Jamaican Creole, but of course I'm not going to sing it, I'm just going to play it. And I infused it with the doxology, which everyone knows, praise God from whom all blessings flow.
Yes. Here he is, folks. Devon Malcolm Brewster. Devon Bernadette. So again, let's put up the numbers in the meantime, if we could get that back up to help. All right, here you go. We have to restart it now. We have to restart it. Yep. And there are the numbers as we wait for the restart. All right?